just chew. Shut your mouth.
Everybody.
Shut your mouth. No, back and forth.
Oh. Baby, the drool that just came out of your mouth.
Oh no. Take it in your hand.
Put it in your pocket. Save it for a rainy day. You need some cheese to liquid it down. Ew! Brittany, we're taking you to the bathroom. Come on. Get a bra.
Oh my god.
Don't give me your hands.
Brittany, no, quit pulling your arms up. Put your arms down so I can pick you up. Oh, hemorrhoid.
You take that side, I got this.
Okay, ready? We might have to go back. Here, get that leg and I'll get this one and we'll just... She put it on my arm!
Do you have underwear on?
You don't underwear? Okay, thank God. Those are like 90s.
Don't choke on that.
Please don't. I don't want to be responsible for your death. Brittany, get up. We're taking you to the bath.
Spit out.
Oh! Brittany, get up. Now. You're too
Ew, there's a hair.
I can't pick you up. Oh, God.
Oh my god.